What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join that frequent flyers club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's jump right into this video, man. Y'all see this red Nike Dunk box, man. Y'all seen the title. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Let's get into these joints, man. A lot of people have been waiting on these, and we finally got them on Nike today, and a lot of local stores have been releasing them as well. So if you're watching this video, definitely go ahead and hop out, get in the streets, bro. You might be able to find a pair for retail rather than resale. But like I said, man, regular red Nike Dunk box. Grab these joints from my local spot, Active Athlete, for 120 bucks retail. Tag on this joint reads Women's Nike Dunk Low, Coconut Milk, and Plum Eclipse. This is a 12 women, 10.5 men. It's the biggest size they had. I went thinking that they would have extended sizes because I saw that on StockX and a couple other platforms that they did have extended sizes on, but my local store did not have them. They had 6 women to 12 women. So here we are, man. I got a 12 women. Let's get into the shoe. Now here we have the women's Nike Dunk Low in the Plum Eclipse colorway, man. Now off the rip, man, when I hear Plum Dunk, man, I'm thinking about like a purple or maroonish type of plum. Like, these are the Plum Dunks that I think of, man. So when I first saw the picture, I was expecting these joints to maybe not be brown, but this is the Plum colorway from like 2015, 2016 or something like that. Whenever these joints drop, these are the Plum Dunks. But this right here is the Plum Eclipse, and like I said, I was expecting it to not be brown, but that is a brown shoe. I've seen all the pictures and the early leaks of these joints, man, and I was just not sure where the Plum Eclipse came from, but I guess that's just this shade of brown. But we have a brown and tan neutral color shoe. Now let's get into the details of this joint, bro. Starting at the front of the shoe, man, you see on that toe box, it is in that coconut milk and a suede material. Not too much back and forth motion because of the color, but a decent quality of suede. Going around that toe cap and around those side panels, you can see it has that brown tumble leather. The leather on the swoosh is just slightly lighter, maybe more of a matte finish on the swoosh rather than the brown that's on the panels, but still brown all the way around on all of the leather pieces of the shoe. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, you see that has that coconut milk suede, still has that brown tumble leather back there. And on the heel tab, it has the Nike embossed in with brown as well. Now this shoe comes laced in a pure white midsole with a translucent gum gel outsole, bro. I really like this outsole. It gives like the dopeness of a gel outsole, but with it being like a brown tan color, it won't look bad like it would with the clear gel outsole. So I like that they gave it this tint to it, and it really matches the brown and the tans of the shoe. That's a really good look for me, bro. I like this aspect of the shoe a lot, man. Now getting into the tongue and the laces, man, as you can see, it has those brown, well, the technical color would be the Plum Eclipse laces. Has that sail tongue or coconut milk tongue, and it has the brown Nike tag with the Nike stitched in brown as well. Just a slightly different shade on that Nike tag, but still brown and tan going all the way around. The inside of the shoe does have white Nike embossed going across the brown insole and the brown sock liner. This is a really solid shoe, bro. There is a leather pair kind of similar to this, but more of a panda style in a white and like mocha brown colorway, the cacao wild pair. And those are really nice, but I thought I would like those better, but after seeing them both in person, I think I like this one a little better, man. I like the suede materials on here, bro. Definitely some solid materials. I like the tumble leather rather than the stiff smooth leather that they usually use on dunks and like panda dunks and things like that. So this one I think takes the cake for me right now. I only saw the other pair in hand briefly. They dropped those at our local shoe palace today. So if you're looking for that pair as well, man, definitely go ahead and get out into the malls, get out into the streets. You may be able to find those. But like I said, these did drop today at Active Athlete. They dropped at Premium Goods. I'm not sure about the man years and social statuses and things like that. I'm pretty sure they dropped these or will drop these for sure. But this one is solid, bro. Definitely one of my top 3 dunks of the year. Not really better than these to me just yet. This Code JP pair of these joints dropped locally today as well at Better Generation. But this one is still top 3 for sure. Top 3 for sure. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Let me know if this is something that you're looking to pick up, or did it not come in your size? Did you have extended sizes at your local store, bro? Just let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Leave a comment down below. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Has that brown leather going all the way around the shoe. Has that coconut milk suede on the side panel and on the toe box, man. Just the same as the other shoe. Brown going across that toe cap. Pure white midsole. That translucent gel tan gum outsole, bro. Super dope. I mean, as far as extras, these joints did come with an extra set of laces and like this coconut milk, I guess, or tan off-white style extra lace. I probably would be more inclined to throw these joints in there. They look really good just going against that toe box. The colors match really well. I'm not sure if it's picking up really good on the camera or not, but the colors do match a lot better on this pair. And also you can see this is like your regular style of lace, the kind of thin laces that we're used to in dunks, and the ones that are factory installed are kind of like the thicker laces. They give me the vibe of like the old school fat laces that we used to switch out and throw on our shoes. So if you're asking me, I don't mind the brown color, but I like this color as well, the tan color, and I like the style of this tan lace better. So if you're asking me and I were able to find my size in these joints, I definitely would throw the tan laces in there. But you can't go wrong either way, bro. These joints are super neutral, super nice shoe, bro. I like the brown, I like the tan, I like the white. Everything flows together really well, bro. Yeah, let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, bro. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, these joints did drop today on Sneakers app and a couple of local spots as well. Now, retail on these was 120 bucks. Plus tax, that's like 130 out the door in Texas. And as far as resale, man, you can see these joints floating around 150 to the 180 mark in the bigger sizes. So still definitely affordable. Not nothing too crazy on the resale market, but I can see this shoe shooting up crazy, just like the Sandrift dunks did, just like those bone beige dunks. This is one of those nice neutral colors. Everyone loves like the mocha style dunks and mocha style shoes. And this is another one just to add to the collection, bro. This one I can see rising on the resale market fairly soon, man. So we'll see what it does once pairs start coming in. Maybe, what's today? Thursday. Pairs probably start coming in from online maybe like early next week. So we'll see what the market does then. But like I said, I can see these joints shooting up in about a month and a half, just as that Sandrift pair did. They were sitting around the 150 to 160 range for like 2 or 3 weeks, and they just start trickling up slowly. And now we're maybe about 2 months out from the Sandrift dunks, and they're 250 pretty much across all sizes, bro. So if you're looking for these, bro, I say go ahead and grab them now. Definitely a nice pair, a lot better quality and more wearability if you're asking me, because of the leather hits on the shoe rather than it being all suede like that Sandrift pair. But I do like the suede and leather mix. But this one is a neutral shoe, brown, tan, white. This is what everybody loves to wear lately, man. The brown has been really popping. I think this will be a good shoe. So if you're looking for it, I say grab it. Check your local Facebook groups. You'll probably be able to find these this week and next week for around 150 to 180, bro. That's in my wheelhouse as far as dunks, man. I know retail is 120, 130. So I don't like to pay nothing too crazy on dunks. So if you're looking for them, my limit will be like 175, 180 on these joints. But you definitely can probably find them for cheaper, especially in those smaller sizes. Now, as far as quality control on these joints, man, the leather is good. The suede material is decent, man. It's nothing crazy. It's not no premium suede, but it's decent, man. No crazy glue marks, no stitching errors on the 3 pairs that I have here. I like the leather. It's super soft. I like the tumble on the leather for sure. Not the hugest fan of the fat laces, but the color of the laces looks really well. You get those kind of wrinkles across the toe box that you usually get on dunks. But other than that, man, nothing too crazy as far as quality control. Nike's just been pushing these dunks out, bro. So you're not going to get many just perfect pairs. But I think this is a good one, bro. The materials combined with the colorway, bro. The gel outsole. This is going to be a good shoe. If you like them, grab them. If not, I feel it, man. No harm, no foul. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Plum Eclipse women's Nike Dunk Low. I like the shoe a whole lot, man. If you're checking for it, try to get out in those streets, try to hit your local resellers and things like that, man. Hit your Facebook groups. You'll probably be able to find these for cheap, if not retail, if you get out and do some searching today and tomorrow. Good luck with that. And like I said earlier, man, I did pick these joints up so you can check for your local boutiques on these Code JP snakeskin joints. If you missed a review on these, man, head over to my channel. I dropped a review on these maybe like around 2 months ago or something like that. Really dope pair, man. So go ahead and head to that review, man. Check that joint out if you're interested in these. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the Plum Eclipse dunk, man. Peace.